Welcome to Shielded Metal Arc Welding NC2. Weld carbon steel plates and pipe using SMAW. First, we're going to take the attendance of the candidates using test the attendance sheet. After checking the attendance, we must proceed to a roll call to test if the listed name is correct. After the roll call, the assessor will give the candidates the test paper for the assessment test to test the knowledge of the candidates. And the assessor will give them a 1 hour to finish a test. The assessor will introduce the SMAW NC2 qualifications, starting with the attendance. But the assessor has already taken the attendance of the candidates. Next, the assessor will proceed to taking the assessment test. And after the assessment test, the candidates will proceed to perform the performance task, which is the qualification for SMAW NC2. After the performance test, the candidates will proceed to interview together with the assessors. And I am the first test we're going to do for the performance task is to prepare the materials, which is the machine, the welding machine. And after preparing the machine, we must turn it on. After preparing all what we need, the candidate number 1 will test and perform the performance task for qualification of SMAW NC2. The assessor will be guiding them if the assessor see what the candidates really struggle about. This is the candidate number 2. The assessor has seen so many fails on the candidate's performance. And the assessor has seen so many welding defects on candidate's number 2's performance, including the sputter and the speed performance and also the temperature. As you can see, the candidates will having the lower temperature, which may cause to not spark the electrode from metal sheet. And after that, the assessor will interview the candidate number 1. This interview will define the knowledge of the candidate if they have an experience for the field. And this is the situational question from the assessor. The next one will be the candidate number 2. As you can see, the assessor will interview the candidate number 2 about the situation now on the field. And after that, the finale is the assessor will checking the assessment of the candidates during the performance, and also the assessment test that the candidate will be taken.